Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to show you real quick how to fix your straps. If you have spaghetti straps that are coming apart or that have detached, I'm just going to show you how to fix that. All you're going to do is take your thread and push it up through the needle, and you're just going to pull about an arm's length of thread here. Go ahead and put a knot in it. Just roll it through and pull. Take the tip of your needle and just pull this right to the end so it's straight. All you're going to need for today's project is I've got some scissors, a seam ripper, I've got some coordinating thread, and I've got a threaded needle. Let's get started. So as you can see here, these spaghetti straps are thinned out on some of the ends. This one's fine. This one here, super thin, see that? And this one here is like frayed. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut these. I'm going to start by cutting the strap right there at the edge. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my seam ripper and I am going to take out a couple of these stitches here. Just a few, because I just need to open this up so I can tuck down in. All I'm doing now is I'm just going to cut out some of these inside stitches, just so I can get inside there. I don't want to take out too many. Okay, I'm just going to tear this with my seam ripper right here. I just need to open it enough to stick this strap back down in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up. This is very, very stretched out now, so it's okay if I take off like an inch because it is just so stretched. The whole thing is. So I want to take off this loose stuff. We'll get rid of that. And I'm just going to tuck this down about an inch inside of this little hole I've made. See that? So I'm just going to go ahead. So I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to tuck this in. And I'm going to push it about an inch in. And now I'm just going to seal that back up. And I might need to use my seam ripper just to poke that down a little bit. And I know I'm about an inch in and that feels good. All I'm going to do, I'm going to take my needle and thread now. I'm just going to come on the inside because I want to put my knot on the inside. I'm coming in this hole and I'm just going to go through where I just took those stitches out. And I'm going to come out. So I'm pulling this knot. If you can see here, this knot is going to come on the inside. There. That will be good and tucked in. All right. And I want to tuck this little piece of thread in there too. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to seal this back up. Just sealing it back up with those 3 stitches right there. Okay. There's where I came out with my thread. Okay, you can see my thread here. So now all I'm going to do, I'm going to come back into the stitches that I pulled out and I'm going to go back and forth through the back. And what I really would like to do is come through this piece of elastic. I'd like to push my needle through that a few times as I'm coming back out these holes here. It doesn't have to be exact where the holes were. You just want to you just want to keep it kind of close. Okay, I'm going to go through this piece of elastic a few times so I know it's very secure. Back and forth through the elastic. And now I'm just going to seal this hole on this side of it. Through these stitches that I pulled. Just go back and forth a few times till it feels really good and secure, and you've closed that hole back up. Then what you're going to do is we're going to tie a couple of knots here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and pull that. And then I'll break my thread right there. I'll cut that thread right off. Right there. And I'll do the same here on this one. You can see that's all thin. I'm just going to open those seams up a little bit in there. Okay, I see the hole now. I'm going to push this down in about 1 inch. I can feel it right here. I can feel that I'm down in about 1 inch. Okay, now I've got this piece pushed inside of there. Now I just want to do the same thing. I'm just going to come up through. I'm going to start on the inside because I need it to tuck the knot in. So I'm going to go on the opposite side of the strap. Through the hole. Just come out about the same width as where the seam was. Okay, we'll tuck that little knot right in there. Okay, so my thread is on this side. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come through that same side, and I want to try to come out where the seam is on the back. And then you're just going to pull. And you're just going to do that in that small little section. And what you want to do is go through this elastic, the little strap here. This is the spaghetti strap. You want to bring your needle through that a few times to secure that. So it's a little bit thick. You just want to go back and forth a few times. That will just secure that really good. I want to close this all back up, and I might even go back a second time here. Just go backwards, go through the spaghetti strap again. I'll go through the spaghetti strap again right here. And whatever side you pull out on, you got to push it back in on that same side. Okay, I think we're ready to call that good. So I'll come back through one more time to get to the back side toward me. I'll take my needle through that. Now I'm just going to go through this knot. I'm going to do that 2 times. I'm on the same side. I'm just going to go through that 2 times, and I'm going to pull. And that is going to get me so it's nice and tight, and then I can cut the thread right there. So now those 2 straps are not going to go anywhere. There. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.